In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Align tool for precise placement. By the end, you'll feel confident snapping elements exactly where they belong, whether you're working in a plan, elevation, or 3D view. We'll move through the process smoothly and focus on what matters most, choosing a clear reference and aligning your elements cleanly without confusion. First, open the Align tool. You'll find it under Modify, then Align. If you prefer shortcuts, tap AL on your keyboard. When the Align tool is active, your cursor will be ready to pick a reference and then the element you want to move. If at any point you need to pause, press Escape to exit the command and start again. Next, pick your reference line or plane. This is the anchor that everything else will snap to. Click the element, grid line or reference plane that represents the correct position or orientation. You're not moving this reference, you're telling the software, this is the target. Aim for a stable, unambiguous reference like a grid or a dedicated reference plane, especially when precision matters. Zoom in so you're clicking the exact edge or face you intend. If several potential references are stacked or close together, hover for a moment to confirm the highlight is on the correct one before you click. Now click the element you want to align. After you've chosen your reference, select the item that needs to move into position. The selected element will snap to the reference you just picked. Watch for the preview highlighting. It helps confirm you're clicking the right edge or face of the element. If the result isn't what you expected, undo, zoom in a bit more, and try again with the correct reference edge. The key is the order. Reference first, element to align second. You can continue aligning multiple elements to the same reference without leaving the tool. Just keep clicking additional elements one after another and they'll snap into place. If you need a different anchor, pick a new reference and continue. A good workflow is to establish your key references early, then align related elements to those anchors for consistency across your model. A couple of closing tips. Choose references that won't change later, like grids or locked reference planes, to avoid cascading adjustments. Work methodically, align one relationship at a time, and keep an eye on the highlights to ensure you're selecting the right geometry. That's all there is to it. Select the Align tool, pick your reference, and click the element to align. With a little practice, you'll place elements with confidence and speed.